Koqeiey net/chain link fence mount compatible with GoPro action cameras and 1x2 smartphones, Mevo Start, and other action cameras for softball, baseball, football games recording. 3-in-1 set Mevo Fence Mount holder. As GoPro accessories, it has 3 installation methods: apply digital camera, action camera, GoPro, smartphone separately. Wide Compatibility Mevo Start, GoPro Hero9, Hero8, Hero7, Hero6, Hero5, Hero4, Session, Action Camera Accessory Kit and action cameras for Koqeiey, such as 1x2 camera, lens kit, waterproof housing case, Osmo Action, DJI, AKASO, Dragon Touch, Vemont, Crosstour, etc. Perfect video shooting. The part of GoPro mount support to rotate 180-degree vertical and 360-degree standard. You can use the action camera holder to record a baseball/basketball/football match/softball match and capture the action from the video to improve your training, and you also can use to record children's sports events. It is suitable for school training and outdoor sports. You could shoot any sports game for your kid or children. The foam fence mount hook elastic rope is made of Thai latex wire as the core and nylon wire wrapped, so as to achieve the advantages of strong elasticity and good wear resistance. The spring hook is covered with a plastic film and will not cause damage to the object. Fence mount hook elastic rope has a lifespan of up to 10 years. The action camera fence mount rope is extendable. No extendable length per rope is 24 centimeters, can be stretched to 48 centimeters. How to use GoPro camera mount: first, install the camera and adjust the lens, then hook the end of your rope and fix it on the fence. Package content and warranty. The package includes 1 fence mount plus 1 COEM with 1/4 adapter, plus 1 mobile phone holder. Note, the camera, frame box and other GoPro accessories in the photo are not included. Three-way to installation. As GoPro baseball fence mount, you can direct switch GoPro mount to fix the GoPro action camera mount. As phone fence mount, you can put out the buckle to the base buckle, then clip the smartphone. As 1/4 digital action camera fence mount, it worked for sample digital cameras with January 4th 20-inch thread. You can direct screw the device onto the base screw. Don't you worry about the camera being stolen when you mount the fence mount outside? Fence mount hook elastic rope can be disassembled. Widely used. The fence mount hook elastic rope can be disassembled. Chain link fence is not only available as a GoPro accessory, but also for bikes, tie downs, camping, outdoor, multi-purpose, weather resistant, abrasion resistance, easy gear bundles. Each end of the cord features a sturdy metal hook.